How to unmute your group on Signal application. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to unmute notifications on your group on Signal application. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Signal, click on your group, and now click on those 3 points up there and click on the last option, which is unmute, and this is it. You have you can like to mute this group again, click on the profile icon and click on sound notifications and click on mute notifications and click on always, and this is how you mute the group again. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.